Hey guys, welcome back to Camouflage Mario Educates here, and for today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a Samsung clock app, or as they say, well, as people say, it's for clocking. Why is Jakarta here? Probably because of my phone from Indonesia. I bought this phone from Indonesia. So we're going to start off with the alarm. But first, before that, I want to ask or tell you guys about clock. So this is my clock here. It's version 7.0.92.4. It's the latest version installed. This is the app info right here. This is the licenses, but I don't want to because it's written in Telegram. Sorry. It's written in typewriter and it may take a long time. So first, the alarm. Now, everybody knows how to do an alarm, right? So, what time is it now? It's 1:22. So if I go to 1:23, I think it will work. So let me go here to 1:23. Right, so let's do 24, just in case 1 minute passes by. I don't want to repeat this. Nah, don't repeat it. Okay, save. Now we have to wait. So guys, it's nearly back here. Nearly. Hey guys, I'm back and today we're still okay. This thing is getting quite slow here. Look. It's very slow. We have to wait for a minute, guys. I'm sorry for the thing, but from here I'm going to start, and next week I'm going to continue the Nazi thing. And from that part, and from the Nazi part, I will continue from part to part. But the Nazi part and the World War II, it's not all of it, it's just some. So let's see. Is it activated? Save. Oh no, guys. I was supposed to press PM. Save. Set from 1 day. Oh, come on. Let's do 25. Save. Why is it gonna work? Hey guys, back here, and the alarm just won't work. How long does it take for this to continue? Look at it. Come on, it's nearly time, right? No. Come on. Oh gosh, come on. Guys, I'm sorry for the expansion of this video. I'm merging videos together to make it okay. Alright, that's the classic sound. Next for the world clock we have, let's do add city. I'm going to do London. 6:25 a.m. right now. That was good. 6 degrees outside. Okay. Sorry for that. That was okay. Next we have the stopwatch. I'm going to start it. It's just a stopwatch. Let's see how much I have a switch here. An electrical switch, but it's not plugged into anything. So I'm going to see how quick I can switch. 3, 2, 1, at second 20, guys. Go! Oh gosh, until 30. Alright, that was awesome. Lots of clicks done with my switch, which is unplugged right here. The timer, this is easy. I'm going to set to 5 seconds after this, because why not? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are. Now guys, thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe. Also like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you want to learn about Samsung, you should get a Samsung product, buy clock, and remember, reopen this video to check how to use it. So thank you, and I'll see you around maybe next time when we get to World War II Part 2. Goodbye guys.